If you can, please print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Complete each of the following by adding or subtracting a number to make the statement true. First one. So start at 4. Start at 4 and then you end at -8. So this means that you have to go to the left all the way to -8. So we start from 4. So if you go to the left, 4 units will give you 0, right? So you minus 4. And to get to -8, you move another 8 units, so minus 8. So we move 4 and another 8, so which is 12. So that means you minus 12. So minus 12 to give me -8. Next one. So you start at -6 and then you end at 2. So that means you plus, because you start from -6. So you go 6 units to the right, that gives you 0. So go to the right, that means you add 6, right? So you go another 2 units to the right, so you add 2. So that means you add 6, add 2, so that means altogether you add 8 units. So we do plus 8. Next one. So you start at -3 and then you end at -9. So in another word, you start from -3 and then you move all the way to the left and then you stop at -9. So that means 3, you go all the way to -9 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which means -9, so we move 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's moved to the left. So this means that is -6. Next one. So something plus 6 is equal to -7. Or you can start with 6 and then you end at -7. So 6 is here. So you move to the left 6 units. So -6 give me 0. And you move another 7 units. So give me -7. So you minus another 7. So altogether 7 and then plus 6 is 13. So in another word, minus 13 or -13. Next one. So a number, okay, take away 8 is equal to 12. So in another word, you can start 8. In another word, you can start -8 and then you move to the right and then you hit 12. So in another word, you start -8 here and you move to the right 8 units. That means you add 8, give me 0. And to go to 12, you add another 12. So this is 12 here. So altogether, you add 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. So that means 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. So 20, that's the answer. This one here. So a number plus 8. So the result is -3. So in another word, you can start 8 here and you end at -3. So this means that you move all the way to the left and then until you hit -3 on the number line. So you start from 8, you move all the way to the left 8 units, so which is 0. So this means -8. And then to get -3, you move another 3 units to the left. So that means -3. So give you -3. So that means -8 minus 3. So you just go 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8 is 11. So the answer is -11. So this is it, -11. So minus 11 plus 8 is -3. Next one. Complete the following by adding or subtracting a number to make the statement true. So a number that's take away 6 is equal to -2. So obviously, start from -6 and then you end at -2. So this means that the number is getting larger, so you move to the right. So you start -6, so you move 1, which is -5, move 2 is negative 4, 3, so that give me negative 3, and then one more, so it's negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you move to the right 4 units, so that means positive 4. Or you can write 4, or I can just leave 4, take away 6 is negative 2. Next one, 7 plus or subtract a number is equal to negative 4. So if you think about the number line, so you start 7 in here, you move to the left 7 units, which means minus 7, that give me 0. And then to get to negative 4, you move 4 more units to the left, so minus 4. So 4 plus 7 is 11, so you move 11 units to the left, so minus 11. Next one. So a number plus 7 is equal to negative 5. Or you can rewrite that 7 plus a number or subtract a number equal to negative 5. So obviously it moved to the left, so you start 7 here. You move 7 units to the left, which give me 0, right? So minus 7. And to get negative 5, you minus another 5. So minus 5 here. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So instead of 12 is negative 12. So minus 12 plus 7 is equal to negative 5. Next one. So a number, take away 9 plus 6 is equal to negative 7. So first of all, we do these two terms first. So minus 9 plus 6. So it's equal to 6 minus 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So therefore 6 minus 9 instead of 3, the answer is negative 3. So this one here, we have the minus 3. So this means that a number that plus minus 3 is equal to negative 7. So if you use number line, so this you start from negative 3, and then you move all the way to negative 7. So that means you move 4 units. So 3, you just go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. You move 4 units to the left. So that means minus 4. So minus 4 minus 9 minus 6 is equal to negative 7. So this one here, minus 8 plus 5, and add a number or a number take away 8 minus, or a number minus 8 plus 5 is equal to 12. So first of all, we need to clear these numbers first. So minus 8 plus 5 is equal to 5 minus 8. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. So therefore, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. And this one here is negative 3. So now is a number that minus 3 equal 12. So what we need to do is we start negative 3 and then end at positive number. Start from negative, end with positive. So this means that we go all the way to the right. So we go all the way to 3 more units to the right, plus 3, that give me 0, right? To get to 12, we add another 12 units. So that means we add 12 at 3, which means 15. So the answer is 15. So 15 take away 8 plus 5 is equal to 12. Next one. So 10 plus a number, or 10 take away a number plus 8 is equal to negative 3. So we can clear these two numbers first. So 10 plus 8 is 18. And you start with 18 and then you end with negative 3. So that means 18 minus a number. So 18 here, we start from 18 and then you go all the way to left 18 units. So which is minus 18, that is 0. And to get to negative 3, you minus another 3 units. So which is negative 3. So minus 3 here. So 3 plus 18 is 21. Correct? And then instead of 21, the answer is negative 21. So minus 21. So the answer is here. So 21. So 10 minus 21 plus 8 is negative 3. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. So we can clear these two numbers first. So 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So that means 3 plus or minus a number to end with -2. So in another word, you start at 3 and then you end at the -2 here. To get -2 from 3, you minus 3 first. So that end with 0. You minus another 2. So then you end at -2. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's -5. So this is -5. So 9 minus 5 minus 6 is -2. Second one. So we can clear these two numbers first. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Then from 3 and then you end up 14. So that means you must add 11 because 11 plus 3 is 14. So you add 11. Next one. So you start -3 and then you plus or minus a number and then you plus 7 is equal to -5. So what we can do is we do these two numbers first. So -3 plus 7. So -3 plus 7 is the same as 7 minus 3. So which is equal to 4. Then 4, these two end up with 4. So 4, you start from 4 and then you end at -5. So you start 4 here. So that means you have to move all the way to the left to get -5. So you go all the way left 4 units. So that's 0. So that means you minus 4 here. And then you move another 5 units. Okay, so this end with -5. So minus 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So instead of 9, the answer is -9. Otherwise, you can interpret like you owe the bank $5 and you owe $4. You owe $9 altogether, if you like. So -9. Next one. -5 plus or minus a number plus 6 is equal to -8. So we can clear these two numbers first. So this is -5 plus 6 is exactly the same as 6 minus 5. So which is 1. So these two, it give me 1. So you start from 1 and then you end at -8. So to get 1 to -8, that means you minus 9. So just think about it. You start from 1 here and you move 1 to the left, which means -1. So to get -8, you move 8 more units to the left. So which means -8. So you owe the bank $8 and you owe another $1. So altogether is $9. So which is -9. Second last one. So plus or minus a number, -4 plus 5 is equal to -7. So we can simplify this first. So -4 plus 5 is exactly the same as 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Then to get to -7, so you start from 1, you move 1 to the left, so which is -1, that gives me 0. So to get -7, you move another 7 more units to the left. So that means you move 8 units to the left, so which is -8. So the answer is -8 minus 4 plus 5 is equal to -7. Last one. 10 plus or minus a number, -8 is equal to -9. So we clear these two numbers first. So which is 8 minus 9 is 2. So you start at 2 and then you end at -9. So what that means is this. You start from 2 and then you move 2 units to the left, give me 0. That means -2. And to get to -9, so you move 9 more units to the left. So which is -9. So you move 2 units, another 9 units. So that means 11 units altogether. So it moved to the left 11 units. So the answer is -11. Thank you so much for watching.